Discover the key features of BRITA MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridges and how they ensure clean and refreshing water at home. BRITA MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridges are engineered with advanced filtration technology designed to effectively reduce chlorine, limescale, heavy metals, and other common impurities found in tap water. The MAXTRA Plus cartridges use a unique combination of activated carbon and ion exchange resin to trap and eliminate impurities, ensuring that your water not only tastes better, but is also free from harmful substances. By reducing chlorine and other contaminants, these cartridges provide a noticeable improvement in the taste and odor of your water, offering a refreshing and clean drinking experience. The cartridges are designed to fit seamlessly into BRITA water filter systems, making installation a breeze. With their user-friendly design, you can replace cartridges effortlessly, ensuring a continuous supply of clean water in your household. Investing in BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridges is a cost-effective way to enjoy high-quality filtered water, offering a sustainable and economical alternative to constantly purchasing bottled water. Make the switch to BRITA MAXTRA Plus and enjoy the benefits of consistently pure and refreshing water in your daily life.